Be the best version of yourself. Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation. My name is Roman Weinstein, and I'm the head of mindfulness at Enhanced. Enhanced is a guided meditation and visualization app that guides people to awaken their inner powers and helps them become happier, healthier, and mindful. Having a desire to be better is an act of self-respect and appreciation. When prompted by healthy self-esteem and love for yourself, your willingness to change and improve can only translate into a journey of deep self-discovery and connection to a higher, better version of yourself. To begin with, find a quiet and relaxing space. Ease yourself into a comfortable position, either sitting down or laying on your back. When you feel ready, close your eyes. Begin to acknowledge this peaceful atmosphere, basking in its sweet silence, distancing your awareness from the noise and chatter of the outside world. Perform a quick body scan from your feet to your head. Release any tension you detect. Let your muscles get rid of the strain and contractions, loosening your limbs and relaxing your whole body. Slowly, focus your attention on your breath. Breathe the air around you, inhaling long breaths, and then letting all the air flow out passively in long exhales. Feel the breathing relax your body. Sense your heartbeat slow down, promoting an even further state of relaxation. As you inhale, visualize a pure white light filling up your inwardness, purifying your heart and your spirit, bringing peace and calm. With each exhale, picture all stress and worry leaving your body as dark smoke. Feel a sense of calm and lightness expand into your deeper self. Finally, free from the shadows of negativity. Be fully present with your breath, acknowledging its vital rhythm, like waves gently lapping the shore. As time flows placidly by, your awareness more and more detached from the material world, begins drifting, floating away from your physical presence. Here, in this space of awareness, you can see yourself for what you are, free from judgment. Simply observe yourself from outside of your body, like an out-of-body experience. Look at your presence. See your chest moving, following your paced breath. Just observe. Be present with yourself. What you see is the person you are now, deserving of love and gratitude. Your talents, skills, your beautiful physical traits, the love you give and receive. All of this and more define your presence. Show love and appreciation for who you are right now. The love you're expressing now towards yourself is the seed and the blueprint of what you desire to become. Now, imagine standing up from the position you're meditating in and visualize a large mirror in front of you. This mirror is large enough to allow your whole reflection inside its frame. Once more, take some time just to observe your reflection. The seed of love has been planted into your heart, and now it is time to nurture it with the intention and desire you have to become a different, better person. Silently describe who you deeply desire to become, focusing on the details, material ones and spiritual ones. Pay attention to project a clear, focused, and well-defined idea. The one that's been waiting deep within yourself for so much time, and that now is ready to bloom in all its glory. Don't judge yourself for your desires. If that's what's in your heart, then it's what you're meant to become. Take the time to visualize what is in your heart right now. Breathe in to your heart's desire. Inhale light into your heart as you focus your awareness on the person you want to become. Exhale the intention. Picture the light sent as a message out into the universe. The universal energy is a source of infinite wisdom and awareness, is always listening to your desires, and the more focused and emotionally charged your thoughts are, the harder the universe will listen. Show gratitude for the immensity and the powers you're allowed to tap into. As you keep on breathing light into your intention, see your reflection beginning to change, very gradually morphing into different versions of yourself. The change is not rushed, but poised and gentle in order to allow your current awareness to taste the change. You begin to understand that the deeper the change, the more focused your intention needs to be. And the stronger and deeper the desire for change should be. Only you are conscious of the depth of your desire. And here, in this space of perfect creation, you can choose who to become. Setting the course of your daily life on this walk toward betterment. Now, you can feel your sensations and perception fuse with your mirror self, perceiving with such clarity the feelings of change, bliss, and true happiness. Your life has never felt so fulfilled, and you have never felt so whole. You reach out your hand towards the mirror, longing for connection, and in that faithful moment, your hands clasp together. You are now one, truly embodying your desired self. There's no threshold between your present and your future. There is no boundary between what you have been up to now and what you have always desired to become. You simply are. Be fully present with this state. Absorb every sensation, every thought, every vision you are experiencing. In this state of bliss, as the seed of change has rooted and is starting to grow, keep breathing light into your heart, repeating to yourself, I am. As you inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, pronounce the word I. As you exhale very gently through your open mouth, pronounce the word am. Repeat this breathing 5 more times. Your breath is the water that nourishes your heart and soul, providing light, energy, and faith in your intentions. It is also a powerful vehicle through which your inner self sends out messages to the universe. It's time to emerge from this inner journey. Sense your body responding to the paced breathing. Feel the weight of your body push against the surface you're resting upon. Slowly, start wiggling your toes, stretching your hands, and then extend some gentle movements to your limbs. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. You're fully awake and aware now. Your inwardness has become conscious of its amazing transformative powers. There's a new you within yourself. If you've enjoyed this guided meditation, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Try the enhanced app for exclusive guided meditations, visualizations, and more. You can find the download link in the description below. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you at the next session.